In Taiwan, there has been much concern regarding the issue of buildings constructed with concrete mixed with sand from the ocean. To help home buyers avoid purchasing sea sand buildings, the government and the construction industry hope to establish a traceability system for all building materials.
If I want to sell my materials for a cheaper price, I can put in less concrete. I can use recycled sea sand or desalinated sea sand from China. These are poor quality sand and gravel. If I want to make money, then I wouldn't use high quality materials.
In the 1980s, tens of thousands of houses were built in northern Taiwan, and many are suspected of using concrete made with sea sand. For the past 30 years, problems related to sea sand buildings have been a running issue. In 1995, the Taipei city government established a plan to protect citizens' rights. However, there are still many sea sand buildings in Taipei city that have yet to be discovered.
We want to encourage those that are currently living in sea sand buildings to come to us, so we can conduct damage assessments and provide them with needed help.
In the past 5 years, more than 26,000 new houses have been built in Taipei and new Taipei cities on a yearly basis. However, there are rumors that imported sea sand was used in some of the building projects.
When purchasing a pre-sale home, make sure to buy it from reputable developers. Furthermore, we will also test the level of chloride ion in the concrete.
In 1995, Taipei city government passed a law requiring developers to pass a ready-mixed concrete chloride ion test before proceeding with construction.
This booklet in my hands has the inspection application form of a new building project. It has the testing reports of radioactive and the quality of ready-mixed concrete that will be used in each floor.
We will be using 10 grams of concrete in our lab test. 1 cubic meter is equal to 2,300 to 2,400 kilograms. We want to test the amount of chloride ion in the concrete.
Inside the lab, researchers are busy conducting lab tests to determine the content of the concrete. The report can later be used when assessing sea sand buildings or even as disaster prevention reference for public construction projects.
According to government standards, only 0.3 kilograms of chloride ion content is allowed in 1 cubic meter of concrete, but this rule only applies to new ready-mixed concrete.
At Liwu River in Hualien County, trucks load up with river sand that will be then transported to northern Taiwan. According to Hualien County Sand and Gravel Association, high-quality river sand can be found in 7 rivers in the county.
Waves have washed gravel and sand into this river. Those that are left behind are the best building materials.
To make sure the quality of concrete, Hualien County government and members of the concrete and gravel industry plan to establish a concrete traceability system.
Even the content of a bottle of water is clearly labeled. How come we don't have label for houses that cost more than $300,000? It is important to have a traceability system for architectural concrete.
Before builders proceed with their project, we hope they can provide the source of their sand and prove that no sea sand was mixed in the concrete.
Currently, we don't have a good system to monitor the construction process in Taiwan. We hope the government can come up with a plan to solve this problem.
As a traceability system for buildings has yet to be established in Taiwan, to avoid purchasing a sea sand building, home buyers must remember to ask developers to provide proof in the contract as evidence for possible claims in the future.